Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Picks, where we bring you honest, hands-on reviews of the best gear out there. Today, we're talking about Android tablets. And when it comes to that category, Samsung is king. From budget-friendly models with incredible battery life to ultra-premium slates that rival laptops, Samsung's 2025 tablet lineup is packed with serious contenders. We've reviewed them all, and after comparing design, performance, features, and value, these are the 6 best Samsung tablets you can buy in 2025. And remember, all the product links are down in the description, so be sure to scroll down and check them out. Let's jump into the rankings, from great budget buys to ultimate powerhouses. Starting off at number 6, we've got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. And honestly, it's one of the best bang-for-your-buck tablets you'll find this year. You're looking at a crisp 10.9-inch display that's surprisingly sharp for its price class. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix, scrolling through social media, or jumping into video calls, the visuals are impressive, and the color clarity punches way above its weight class. Now, under the hood is Samsung's Exynos chipset. It's not a speed demon, but it handles multitasking, casual gaming, and video calls without breaking a sweat. You're not buying this tablet to replace a laptop. You're buying it because it's an affordable, well-built all-rounder. It also has dual speakers that come surprisingly close to what you get on Samsung's pricier models. Throw in an included S Pen, IP68 dust and water resistance, and a battery that can go up to 18 hours. And this thing just makes sense. Whether you're a student, traveler, or everyday user, the S9 FE hits the sweet spot for performance and durability without breaking the bank. At number 5 is the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, still holding strong as the budget king in Samsung's lineup. This tablet is light, durable, and super easy to carry. Perfect for students, note-takers, and casual users. You get an included S Pen, which mimics a real pen better than you'd expect at this price. Whether you're sketching, highlighting PDFs, or jotting down class notes, the S Pen gives the S6 Lite serious functionality. The crystal-clear display is a step up from most entry-level tablets, and the Dolby Atmos speakers deliver sound that's rich and immersive, again surprising for this price point. Performance-wise, it's modest but reliable. You can expect smooth app switching, dependable multitasking, and enough power for casual gaming or work apps. Plus, with strong battery life and fast charging support, this is a tablet that works as hard as you do. The refined modern design makes it feel more expensive than it is. And when you compare it to other budget tablets on the market, the S6 Lite stands out as a rare find that doesn't cut corners. In the 4th spot, we've got the Galaxy Tab S9, and if you ask me, this is the best all-around Samsung tablet for most people. Why? Because it strikes a balance between premium features and a reasonable price. You get a beautiful AMOLED display that used to be exclusive to Samsung's top-tier tablets, and now it's here on the base model, which is a huge upgrade. Inside, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor keeps things running fast and smooth, whether you're gaming, streaming, working, or multitasking. And battery life? You're getting about 9 hours on a single charge, enough to power you through a full day at work or school. The Tab S9 feels premium in your hands. It's slim, elegant, and IP68 water resistant, which is super rare in tablets. Add in the S Pen, which comes included, and you've got a tablet that's perfect for productivity, creativity, or just entertainment. While the iPad Air may edge it out in raw power, the Galaxy Tab S9 wins on versatility, display quality, and value for Android fans. For most people, this is the tablet to get. All right, now let's talk about visuals. Coming in at number 3 is the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. And if you're someone who cares about display quality, you're going to love this one. This beauty features a 12.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that delivers deep blacks, vivid colors, and ultra-crisp visuals. Whether you're streaming movies, designing graphics, or editing photos, this screen delivers. And with Vision Booster adapting brightness based on your surroundings, it's always easy on the eyes. But it's not just about looks. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor gives it serious performance chops. It handles multitasking like a champ, and Wi-Fi 7 support keeps your connection fast and future-proof. Like other models in the lineup, it comes with an S Pen, which is accurate and comfortable for sketching or note-taking. And with its aluminum armor frame and IP68 rating, this tablet is built to last. All in all, the Tab S9 Plus is a premium tablet experience without the ultra-premium price tag. If you want flagship features with a stunning display, this is your tablet. At number 2 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, and this thing is an absolute powerhouse. If you've ever wanted to ditch your laptop and go full tablet, this is the model you want. You get a massive 14.6-inch OLED display, the biggest in Samsung's lineup. And it's stunning. Whether you're using it for creative work, DeX multitasking, or media playback, this screen delivers desktop-level productivity in tablet form. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chip and backed by 12 GB of RAM, the S10 Ultra breezes through intensive tasks. You can run full productivity apps, edit 4K videos, and juggle split-screen apps with zero hesitation. Of course, it's not perfect. It's big, a bit heavy for handheld use, and it really shines when paired with Samsung's book cover keyboard, which costs extra. But once you set it up, this tablet becomes a serious productivity machine. Whether you're working from home, drawing on the go, or replacing your old laptop, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is the closest thing to a 2-in-1 Android powerhouse we've seen. And finally, our pick for the best Samsung tablet of 2025, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. This tablet hits all the right notes. It's lighter and more portable than the Ultra, but still packs the same flagship specs. A blazing fast Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, 12 GB of RAM, and that buttery smooth 120Hz AMOLED display. The result? A responsive, immersive experience whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing. It includes quad speakers, DeX mode, and of course the S Pen, which makes it perfect for both creatives and professionals. Add in 7 years of security updates, and you've got a tablet that's future-proof. The S10 Plus doesn't just compete with the iPad Air, it challenges it with better multitasking tools, better file management, and tighter integration with Samsung's ecosystem. If you're looking for the most complete Android tablet experience in 2025, this is it. So, there you have it. The best Samsung tablets of 2025, ranked and reviewed to help you find the perfect fit. Whether you want the best bang for your buck, the biggest screen possible, or a high-end tablet that replaces your laptop, Samsung has something for you this year. All the product links are down in the description, so scroll down and grab the one that's right for you. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next breakdown of the best tech out there. Thanks for watching Consumer Picks, and we'll catch you in the next one.